Calvary has arrived.
Who freaking invited you?
Your mom.
Oh, he's got me there.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven, and welcome to Mess. And from the dorkness comes... Hey, dude!
What do we got? Oh my god, it's
I
so
got
many
a
parts.
whole box of parts here, dude.
Shiny!
So we got
Throttle cable, good.
throttle cable, kill switch, nice metal gas tank, 10 feet worth of chain, beefy earth shock. That ought to work, I think. I'm thinking it'll work.
We ain't too good at thinking though.
I just put the twist throttle on. Seems to be working fine. Kill switch is on as well.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
And Tommy is about to drill the holes for the base of the engine. Tommy! Turn that rubber, boy! Luckily, I still have this engine hoist from my buddy Matt.
Got the country going.
Don't let it fall! I'm not good.
It's like the way there.
Ow.
Good.
Dropped it on my ear.
Nice.
You scratched it.
Yes, yes I did.
He said the thing.
I need to drill. I might just use the grinder.
Oh boy. Why do you default to grinder? Yes, I mean that in exactly the way you're thinking. So wait, what's your plan here exactly?
Run about the seam of my pants as usual. Bro, why didn't I just think?
See,
Oh wait, I'm not good at that.
what the frick? Okay.
I just don't want to lose it.
Okay. All right, take two. Much credit cutting and grinding and screwing later.
How is this still? Now I have two holes there.
Make up your mind.
I have none. Okay, the two brain cells are arguing for fifth place. Dude, what the heck?
Is it still off?
Maybe.
Crap. These are the most jerry-rigged holes ever. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you best darn holes you ever seen in your life. At least that one is. These other ones are beautiful.
Just like me.
Just like Tommy.
Wait.
He's humble. So humble. Hold on, let's give it the test. That ain't going anywhere. Yeah, dude. That took way longer than expected, but we have officially bolted an engine to this frame.
What else do we got? Shock.
Shock, fuel tank. We got new. Your mom. I'm sorry.
Awesome, because I'm doing yours.
So shock, brake, fuel tank, sprocket, and then
Clutch.
plastics. Oh, clutch. Clutch hasn't come in yet. That's right. Oh, we gotta attach. We gotta attach the kill switch eventually, but I'm not super concerned about it right now. Oh yeah, wait,
Plastic square.
dude.
I feel like
Dude, that's so sick.
how does this fit in there?
This dude. That was a goofy all laugh. So Tommy just went home, so that we're pretty much gonna stop filming for tonight. The only thing I'm gonna do, and I'm not gonna film this, is put the new sprocket on the rear wheel. But I don't know, that doesn't seem interesting, especially not without Tommy, because he's the life of the party. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. New day, same sweatshirt. It's my work sweatshirt. What are you gonna do? Also, this is not a paid product placement for my school, but it could be. Mr. Wortman, know you watched some of my videos. Reimbursement? Over the last day-ish. I got some more parts for this thing. So I have to do a little bit of custom fitting to get the sprocket on here, but shouldn't be that hard in theory. Also, got another brake handle for, oh shoot, it's really not okay. That's all right, we're gonna hit it with some WD-40. So this one should work, in theory. It should work, it should work. Pretty sure it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It doesn't match the other one, but you know what? That's fine. Tommy is on his way, so more shenanigans are about to ensue. Yes. Yeah. That was a good take. Tommy likes to make himself comfortable. Try that one more time. Let's see if it holds. The old test. Wait. Oh. Seems solid.
Ooh, what's up, y'all? That's a reference. Hey, thank you guys so much for the support on the last video. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one as well. If you did, smash that like button, and if you're enjoying the videos, then maybe consider subscribing, but no pressure. I'm gonna end the video before it gets too long, so stay tuned. Next video, okay, I'm filming this like way later on, so we actually got it running and moving. So next video, stay tuned. Gonna be running and moving under its own power, and then we can start testing it, which is gonna be really, really fun. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Have a good rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye.